Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with chapter number 12, How Heavy, How Light. Jaiju and Manu were shifting house. They loaded all their things on a horse cart. There were many things like a water tank, 5 sacks of wheat, 3 tables, an almirah, 4 chairs, 2 mattresses, 3 sacks of rice, a bamboo ladder, pots and pans. When they were ready to move, the horse refused to start. They wondered why. Their father said that this horse was not well and would not pull a load heavier than 700 kg. Oh, but how heavy is this load? They asked. Father gave them some idea of the weight of each thing. Find out the total weight they had loaded on the cart. Things loaded on the cart were a sack of wheat, sack of rice, water tank, almirah, a table, a chair, a mattress, bamboo ladder, pots and pans. Weights are also given here. Now let us find out the total weight. Total quantity of sack of wheat is 5. So 5 into 100, 500 kilogram. Sack of rice, 35 kilogram in 3 quantities. So 3 into 35, 105 kilogram. Water tank, 50 kilogram. Quantity is 1, so 50 kilogram. Almirah, 70 kilogram in 1 quantity. 70 multiplied by 1, so total weight is 70 kilogram. Table, 10 kilogram. There are 3 tables, so total weight of tables are 30 kilogram. Chair, 5 kilogram. 4 chairs are there, so total weight is 20 kilogram. Mattress, 20 kilogram. 2 mattresses are there, so total 40 kilogram. Bamboo ladder, 10 kilogram. 1 bamboo ladder is there, so 10 kilogram. And pots and pans are lump sum, so they are 10 kilogram. If we total this, 500 plus 105 plus 50 plus 70 plus 30 plus 20 plus 40 plus 10 and 10, then we will get the total weight on the cart. So total weight is 853 kilogram on the cart. Now they decided to remove a few things from the cart. Which things should be removed so that the weight of the load is not more than 700 kilograms? So this depends upon the things which are in priorities. Like here 3 sacks of rice and 3 table may be removed so that the weight of the load is not more than 700 kilogram. You can also remove 1 sack of wheat and 1 sack of rice. So the answer can be different for different students also. So you can write your own answer. The things which are loaded on the cart were big in size and also very heavy. To measure the weight of such heavy and big things, we need a big balance. See, big balance is given in the picture also. But Jaiju and Manu wanted to make their own balance. They collected few things, a stake, 2 leads and a thick thread. They made this balance. You can also make your own balance. Now you also make your own balance. Write down how you made it. Also draw picture of your balance in the box below. So this you have to do it on your own. Activity: Manu and Jaiju put a pencil and a geometry box in the two pans of the balance. Which pan will go down? Why? Draw a picture to show it. So you have to draw your picture over here, and of course the geometry box is heavier, so geometry box will go down. What is heavier? Make pairs of different things. Use the balance to decide which is heavier. First guess which thing will take the pan down and then check with your balance. What is the heaviest? Make groups of three things. For example, eraser, ball and paper. Use the balance to arrange them in order of weight. The lightest, the one with in between weight, the heaviest. Complete the table with at least 5 examples. This also you will do it on your own. You have to make groups of 3 things. You have to find out which is lightest, which is in between weight and which is heaviest. This also you have to do it on your own. Can you find your own weight using this balance? Of course not. You cannot find the weight of yourself because you are very big for it. Making weights. Do these activities in pairs. You need a balance, weight, a cake of soap, plastic packets, sand and rubber bands. You can also take help of an older person. Get a new cake of soap. The packet will have weight written on it. You can use this soap to make your own different weights. The soap weighs 100 grams, like if it is 100 grams, if it is 250 grams, you can write 250 grams. Take a small plastic packet, put it in one pan of the balance, put the soap in the other pan, slowly add sand to the packet till the pan are balanced. Close the packet with a rubber band or string. Now stick a strip of paper and write. See, if it was 100 grams, so we'll stick a strip of written on it, that is 100 gram on it. If you put the soap and the weight you just made together in a pan, how many grams will both these weigh? So both will weigh 100 gram plus 100 gram, that is equals to 200 grams. Now make different weights like 150 gram, 200 grams and 250 grams. You can use soap of different weights for this. Also make some bigger weights of 500 gram, 1000 gram and 750 gram. Use your weight to weigh different things and write it in your notebook. See, you can also use other things other than the soap. You can find many things in your kitchen on which the weight is written on it. Practice time. Which pan of the balance will go down? Show by drawing an arrow. See, first one is already done for you. On the left side it is 25 gram plus 40 gram, that is 65 gram. On the right side it is 40 plus 35 gram, that is 75 gram. So of course it is heavier. Second one, 75 gram plus 75 gram on the left side. On the right side it is 35 gram plus 140 gram. So of course it is heavier. So we will draw an arrow over there. See this, 105 gram plus 200 gram on the left side. On the right side 150 gram plus 250 gram. So right side is heavier. On the left side in this, 55 gram plus 245 gram plus 700 grams, that is equals to 1 kilogram or 1000 gram. And on the right side it is 254 gram and 600 gram. So left side is heavier here. Third one, 20 gram plus 196 gram, and on the right side 197 grams. So left side is heavier here. Next one, 36 gram plus 75 gram on the left side, and on the right side 63 gram plus 100 grams. So right side is heavier in this balance. Is the weight on any of the pens equals to 1 kilogram? Mark it. So the left pen of the fourth figure weighs 1000 gram. This pen includes weight measures 55 gram plus 245 gram plus 700 gram. That is equals to 1000 gram, and which is also equals to 1 kilogram. Therefore, the left pen of the fourth figure is equals to 1 kilogram. You can mark it. How many grams are there in 1 kilogram? So 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. Hence, there are 1000 gram in 1 kilogram. Grams and kilograms. Name 5 things that we usually buy in grams and in kilograms. So in grams we buy turmeric powder, mustard seeds, chili powder, cardamom, cloves, right? And in kilograms we buy tomatoes, sugar, wheat, banana, rice. Your answer can be different from my answer, so you can write your own answer also. Which is heavier? Which is heavier, 1 kilogram cotton or 1 kilogram iron? Sir, she threw a heavy watermelon at me. He threw a 1 kilogram peel of cotton, so I threw a 1 kilogram watermelon yesterday. You said that weight of 1 kilogram cotton and 1 kilogram melon is equal. What do you think? Is it fair? Dinesh went shopping. Dinesh went to a shop and bought some things. His younger brother cut the end of the bill where the weights were written. Say this. So, guess and write the weight of each thing he bought in gram or kilogram. So, rice he must have bought in kilogram, sugar also in kilogram, mustard seeds gram, wheat kilogram, dal 500 gram, tea 250 gram, pepper 25 gram. Car and tractor. Ritu is weighing her toys. She wants to know if a tractor is heavier than car. How would you help her to find out quickly? Guess which is the heaviest, a real car, a bus or a tractor? Which is the heaviest thing you have seen? See, if I put 2 cars, will the tractor still be heavier? Think over it. So, which is the heaviest thing you have seen? A rail engine. You can write anything else also. If you have seen anything heavier than rail engine or something else, you can write your own answer. Elephant's way. Once a king had pain in his stomach. None of the palace doctor could cure his pain. You can see king over here. Oh, no, I cannot bear this pain. The king then said, anyone who cures my pain will get gold equal to the weight of an elephant. On hearing this, doctors from all over the country came, but only Dr. Vedika could cure him. Oh great, my pain has gone. Thank you, Dr. Vedika. Vedika replied, so, can I have my reward now, sir? But the greedy king didn't want to give her the gold, so he thought of a trick. Okay, first find the weight of an elephant, then I will give you that much gold. Vedika was unhappy. When she reached home, she told her daughter the whole story. How can I weigh an elephant? Where will I get such a big balance? Her daughter replied, Don't worry, Ma, I have an idea. Tell the king to arrange an elephant and a big boat. Next morning, Dr. Vedika invited the king near a river. The king came with an elephant and a big boat. I think she is fool. How will she weigh an elephant with a boat? The king is thinking. Vedika's daughter went into the river. She marked on the boat how much it sank in the river. Then she asked them to bring the elephant into the boat. The boat sank deeper, so she marked the new water level on the boat. Now imagine what happened next and complete the story. Discuss with your friend how Vedika's daughter found the weight of the elephant. So this you have to do it on your own. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.